The industry has a secret plan that's already killing every cheap used diesel on the road. They're banking on you never figuring it out. You think you're scoring a bargain on that 2020 to 2025 Cummins, Powerstroke, or Duramax for 30 grand. Wrong, you're not buying a truck. You're buying a $15,000 repair trap disguised as a workhorse. Here's the brutal reality. Those green emission systems, DPF, EGR, DEF, the whole nightmare, were never built to last. They're engineered to fail right after the factory warranty dies. One clogged DPF runs you for to 5 grand. EGR cooler cracks, another 1,500 easy. DEF sensor glitches and your truck drops to 5 miles an hour on the interstate. I've seen it happen to owners hauling trailers at 2 a.m., stranded, furious, and suddenly upside down on a truck they thought was cheap. And it gets worse. Software updates quietly roll out that derate power, throw phantom codes, and turn your reliable diesel into a money pit. Resale value, it's collapsing. A 2020 Ram with 80,000 miles that should be worth 28 grand is now sitting at 18. Because the next owner knows the repair bill is coming. Who's behind it? The big three and the old EPA mandates they happily went along with. They knew these systems would grenade every 70 to 80,000 miles. They knew the average owner would face 10 grand in fixes before 150,000 miles. Why? Because when used diesels become too expensive to keep alive, you stop buying them. You finance a shiny new $70,000 truck instead. Mission accomplished. Here's the breaking point most owners hit too late. You're not fixing a truck anymore. You're subsidizing the industry's planned obsolescence. That cheap used diesel is now worth less than the parts needed to keep it running. Game over. But there's a way out. Smart owners call it the diesel liberation delete. It's simple. You remove the failure-prone emissions hardware and flash a clean tune. DPF and EG are gone. DEF system deleted. No more regans. No more limp mode. No more surprise 5-figure bills. Recent DOJ policy changes mean the feds aren't chasing criminal charges anymore. The heat is off. Here's exactly how you do it in 3 steps. 1. Find a reputable diesel performance shop that's been doing deletes for years. Check their before and after dyno numbers. 2. Spend 3 to 5 grand on a full kit and custom tune. 3. Get it installed, then drive it like it was meant to be driven. Cooler EGTs, 3 to 5 extra miles per gallon, and 0 surprise breakdowns. Smart owners already know this. They're the ones laughing, while everyone else is stuck in the dealership service bay writing checks. They're not victims, they're free. But here's the part they really don't want you hearing. The same companies that kill the used diesel market have an even darker trick. Loaded into every 2026 model rolling off the line right now. Stay tuned.